So in the 1970s, there was a beached whale in Florence, Oregon, okay? It was not alive, and officials were like, this is a big problem because it stank. It stank. It was decomposing. The smell wasn't good. And so they had to come up with solutions of how are we going to get rid of the body? Now, some people did say we could just dig a hole, right? Dig a hole, bury it. And they were like, no, but then what if the tide uncovers it and the smell will come back out? They're like, there's got to be a way. There's got to be a way. Now, I want to ask you, what are the ways that you would think? What are the ways that you would think are the best way to dispose of this whale? Because the way that they're going to do it is not only absolutely incredible, but you know it was just a bunch of dudes in a room who were looking for an excuse to break out the dynamite, because that is exactly what they did. They got out an insane amount of dynamite. And they were like, you know what? If we blow up this carcass like they just did, they're like, it's gonna be like tiny pieces. It's gonna disintegrate. It's gonna be thrown into the ocean and all these scavenger animals will come and take care of it. Problem gone. The problem wasn't gone, okay? They sent massive chunks of whale everywhere. They made the problem so much worse. The stench filled up the entire city. But it's incredible. And I mean, I get it, right? There's other things you can do. There's other solutions. There's different ways to dispose of the animal. But when are you ever gonna have a chance to blow up a whale again? And I mean, they probably just had all this dynamite just waiting around looking for an excuse, okay? They needed an excuse to use it. When are they gonna get another opportunity? But yeah, this is the exploding well incident of 1970.